Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Allahumma lakal hamd, Alhamdulillah. We're here right now inside the masjid of Khalid ibn Walid. As you can see here, the grave of Khalid ibn Walid and his two sons right behind me here. This masjid was freed and the city of Homs was just freed just 2 hours ago by the Mujahideen, and the Iranian and Russian backed Assad militants were forced out totally of the city of Homs. Allahumma lakal hamd.
الله وحده صدق وعده ونصر عبده وأعز جنده وهزم الأحزاب وحده ولا شيء بعده لا إله إلا الله ولا نعبد إلا إياه مخلصين له
لكن عند الجامعة بأوسط
شباب المدنية
كان أول السطر المتوفى
وعلى آل سيدنا